and welcome. Today we will talk about if you have a lot of things open, for example here, a lot of browsers, File Explorer open, and you want to see your desktop behind the screen, a fresh desktop. There are several ways. The first thing you can do, is press the Windows key and press on D. Then you go directly back to your desktop. Yeah. The second thing, what you can do is press Windows key and press on M. There you go. And there's a third thing. So for example, you want to close everything except one specific thing you want to keep open. So for example, this browser, you want to close everything behind it and you want to keep this one. So swipe this one to the right and left. And then you see that everything is gone. So let's say you want to switch everything back on that was on the screen before. You swipe it again. See? There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Have a great day. Bye bye.